Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to exchange Hamster Kombat coin to money. So to exchange your Hamster Kombat coin for money, you will need to follow these steps. First, you need to create an account on supported exchange. Currently, xt.com is the primary exchange where you can trade Hamster Kombat coins. Deposit Hamster to xt.com, transfer your Hamster Kombat coins from your wallet to xt.com account. Ensure your wallet is linked and the coins are not staked or wagered. So thirdly, trade Hamster for USDT. Once your Hamster coins are deposited, you can trade them for a Tether using the Hamster USDT trading pair available on xt.com and withdraw USDT to your wallet. After exchanging Hamster for USDT, you can withdraw the USDT to your personal cryptocurrency wallet and convert USDT to the fiat currency. To convert USDT to your local currency, transfer USDT to another exchange that supports fiat withdrawals such as Binance or Coinbase. Follow the exchanges and instructions to sell USDT for the fiat currency and withdraw it to your bank account. So let's turn on the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.